gotta say it. You can get a taste.
Okay, you guys, so right now I'm in the mall and I'm gonna see which stores I want to go in to look at and possibly get. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna take you guys along with me and you'll be able to see what I'm gonna get. There's like people like staring at me. I don't know if it's because of my hair. I don't know. I probably look like a little girl, but whatever. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. So yeah, guys, we're walking. Well, I'm walking, and this is the stores in the mall, like I showed before. So I'm gonna find a particular store that I want to go into. You guys, it feels good to just like cruise around by yourself, you know. I'm just gonna have to get used to like, you know, the people just like looking at me or whatever, but that's okay. Yeah, but actually it feels pretty good, you know. I just need a job so I can get to the bag. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I had one of the employees. Most likely these are gonna fit the same way as long as I adjust it. So yeah, guys. Okay, you guys, so there's this swimsuit right here. I don't know, I don't like how there's a line here and then you can see like the little, you know, nips. And I don't know, I could adjust it, but I feel like even adjusting it wouldn't make the difference of the lining, of course. I don't know, like I like it, but I just don't know if, even if I pull the girls up, if it would still be, you know, like good support. I don't know, I'm debating. I really like the color though, but I don't know if it's a go for me, but I like it. You guys, I tried to adjust it. I mean, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Just like here, I don't know. Not really sure. But I do like it though. I do. And I did adjust the top. So, yeah. I don't know. I like it though. Okay, you guys. So, the blue one is amazing. I'm loving the blue. I could adjust it some more though. I could adjust it just a little bit, tad more, but yeah, I do love it. I really do like this one. Okay, you guys, so I finally got it. I finally got the top adjusted, and this is what it looks like. And I love it. Blue is my favorite color. I really love it. Okay, you guys, so basically I had put on the mini skirt. Yeah, you can wear it just like this. It's really cute. You can turn it around. You can do whatever style you want. But this is cute. You can even mix and match the bottoms. So yeah, guys, this is so cute. Okay, you guys, so there's this one. You can even move the skirt however you want. Yeah, this is so cute. I love this. I don't know, maybe I should get the black swimwear. The thing is, like, I didn't know if I wanted to just because I already have a black swimwear. But, I mean, you can never go wrong with another one. So, yeah, maybe I should get it to replace the darker pink one. I don't think I'm going to get the darker pink one that you're going to see in the video. But, yeah, this is so cute. This is really cute. You could switch it up. This is really cute. Yeah, I love this. So you guys, last but not least, I tried on the black one, and I'm loving it. It makes me feel like beautiful, you know, sexy, and yeah, I really love this. This is cute. So I think I'm gonna try to get all three. I kind of really wish they had a dark pink in this style, but they don't have it in this particular style that I wanted it in. So I had to pass on that one because I don't really like how the other pink one looks, like the darker one. So yeah, but yeah, I'm loving this. I'm loving this.